Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make caramel coffee. First, let's gather everything we need for this delightful drink. You'll want about 1 cup of brewed coffee, 1/2 cup of milk, and 2 tablespoons of sugar. For the homemade caramel, grab 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 1/4 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of heavy cream. Don't forget a splash of vanilla extract to finish it off. Having all your ingredients ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create that luscious caramel sauce. In a small saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1/4 cup of water. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar dissolves. Continue cooking without stirring until it reaches a beautiful amber color, which usually takes about 8 minutes. Carefully remove it from the heat and stir in 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1/4 cup of heavy cream until smooth. Finally, add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract for extra flavor. While your caramel cools slightly, let's prepare the coffee base. Brew 1 cup of your favorite coffee. Whether you prefer a strong espresso shot, a classic drip coffee, or a rich French press, any method works wonderfully. A medium roast often complements the sweetness of the caramel best, providing a balanced and enjoyable flavor. Ensure your coffee is freshly brewed and hot, as this will help everything combine beautifully when we assemble our drink. This step is quick and easy. It's time to bring it all together and enjoy your homemade caramel coffee. First, drizzle some of your delicious caramel sauce around the inside of your serving mug. This creates a lovely visual and adds flavor to every sip. Next, pour in your hot, freshly brewed coffee. Stir gently to combine. Then, add about 1/2 cup of warm milk. You can sweeten it further with a little more sugar if desired. For a final touch, top with whipped cream and an extra drizzle of caramel. Enjoy your cozy, flavorful creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.